I'll get from numbers 1 to 5. Are you ready for drawing by numbers? This is an impromptu Facebook Live just because I had this idea in mind and I want to share it with you. So medyo biglaan, I just announced it like 11 o'clock. I was thinking, should we do this or not? I think the video tutorial that I posted was too fast, I think. It's only 1 minute. Okay, are you ready? Do you have your pens? Show me your pens. Pencils. How about markers? If you have markers. Pencil is okay, but through Zoom, it's kind of difficult to see. I can't see your work because of the pencil is too thin. So let's see who's here. Ande, Luis, Ethan and Liam. Yes, and then... Okay, so if you've seen my video, it's number one. Okay, we'll start with number 1. Are you ready? These are just my ideas. If you have more ideas, please post it in the comment section in the Facebook Live or post it in our Facebook groups, Art for All Abilities. You know, it's so nice that every morning when I wake up, I see all of these artworks posted there. So fun. I see how people and children can be so creative in a short amount of time. Okay, so now let's practice again. Okay, start. So first, let's try to draw something from number 1. I posted this in my video already. Okay, so from here, it's kind of difficult to think of an animal from number 1 aside from the butterfly and insect. So I tried to do this. Try to make curved lines. We trace it with the curved line. Guess what we're making? I think you know this already if you've seen the video. You know this? Okay. And then draw a straight line here. Can you guess what we're making? Dun sa mga nasa Zoom, you can unmute yourself and tell me what we're making.
Sure.
Yeah, that's it.
What?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
A jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Yeah. Have you seen the jellyfish in real life?
Yes. Yes.
Can you touch the jellyfish?
No.
It's done. Wow, Ethan and Liam, can I see? Wow, good job. Next, well, Anika. Can I see? Okay, so who else? Reed. Next, number 2. Are you ready for number 2? Number 2. Let's write. Number 2. Okay. Done. And then, so from here, we'll make zigzag lines. Curved zigzag lines. Zigzag, but curved. Like this. Look. Up, down. Up, down. There. Sideways. You can make it a bit curvy. Like this. you making? What could this be?
Chicken.
A chicken, maybe? Yes.
That's hard to define.
Eagle.
Yes, a chicken or an eagle. It depends on how you draw it. As long as it's a bird. Here. From number 2, we have a bird. Can I see your works?
Hello. Sir?
Hello po, Nivek, Grace, Maria, Dash, Luella, Maya, Vanessa. Please post your children's works on the comment section. Stanley, are you done? Can you see? Move closer. Closer, closer. I can see. Good job. Jean, make your work bigger. Okay, try to draw bigger. Okay? If you draw bigger, you can put more details. Wow, nice.
Oh.
The color too.
Alright. Okay, replace it with the marker. Whose work is this? Enazia. Yes. Okay, Enazia, try to draw bigger. Okay, draw bigger. I encourage mommies. Encourage them to draw big so they can put more details. Because if the drawing is small, it's hard to put details.
Pala.
Okay, let's move on to number 3. This one is tricky. Okay. So first you write number 3 like this. Okay, number 3 like this. Hi, Ma'am Alice. Ma'am Alice is here. Oh, hi, Jim. Hello po. Hi, Ma'am Nancy. Okay, are you done with writing number 3? Okay, yes. And then I want you to draw another curved line here like that. Okay, done. Look, it's almost the same size. Okay, here, if you're doing this the first time, it's okay if you make a mistake or if you made the size incorrectly. So maybe after this, if you think it's not good enough, you practice again. Okay, and then make a dot here, another dot here. Hi, Dory. Hi, my sister is here. Julie. My sister Felice is here also. Okay, then you make a bigger nose here. Bigger circle, bigger dot. Okay? And also, if you're over there, if you want to share this with your friends, you can create a watch party by sharing it in your groups. I forgot to share it in our groups. I forgot to share it. Please share it. Okay, then make a big circle here.
A big circle here.
There. Then, third line here. Then, smiley. And then, ears on the side. Semicircle ears. 1. And then, 2. 2 semicircle lines on the side. Then, 1 here. Then, another 2 semicircle here. So, a monkey's ears are here on the side. Okay? Hi po, Ma'am Ems. Kamusta po si Vince? Okay, are you done? What's the animal?
Monkey.
Monkey, yes. Are you done? Okay,
Yes.
on the screen so we can cute. Good job, Jad. And very good students. Very great. Good, Chris. Now let's move on to number 4. So while we had our workshop last Wednesday, so I was inspired again to figure out another animal doodle. Okay. In drawing from number 4, it took me really a long time to figure out what animal can be made from number 4. It took me around 15 minutes to make, 15 minutes to think. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Please comment. Are you ready? If you're ready. Okay. Miss Josephine, it will be recorded on Facebook Live. So even if it's you have a slow connection, you can maybe replay it on some time. The connection is better. So from number 4, you're gonna make a dot here, make another dot here. So it's easier for you to draw the line and to estimate the size. Okay. And then you you draw a curved line here, but it has to overlap here with the line number 4. It has to overlap here. Kailangan dumikit dito. Okay? That. And draw another line here. Notice that this is pointy, not rounded. And going to make like a letter C here. You can just draw a straight letter C, but I want a gap here. Letter C. And then another letter C. Another letter C. Hello, cars. Hello, cars. Okay, guess what we're making? Now we have 52 participants in Zoom. Yay. Wow, I'm really impressed with how fast people reacted. I just posted it like 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago if you're available. Okay, next, look. So add more lines here. There. And then triangle. Do you know how to draw a triangle? Look. There. Because last Wednesday we made a doodle chart, but it's not from number 4. I only had this idea after the workshop. Okay. Then zigzag, 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 zigzag. Sharp T. There are many triangles in this drawing. Okay, later let's try to count. For math teachers, this is a nice activity for triangles and counting. Count how many triangles does this picture have. Next, draw another triangle eyes. Triangle eyes. Triangle eyes. There. What's this? Can you comment, please? What's this?
Shark.
Shark. And don't forget that. Bottom. The baby shark. But I think this is a daddy shark. You know, if you want to make turn it into a baby shark, make it more. Are you finished? Are you finished? Comment. Wow, look at nice. That's 3. Good job. Rose. Can I see Rose? Ethan, here. Nice. Good job with the shark.
Happy na.
I think you're going bigger. Occupy the whole paper. That's good job. Next page. Face. And then up. And then a little right here. Love this. Next. Hi, Cherry. Hi, Cherry. Oh, where are your works? Jessica, show me your work. Number 5. This one, it's similar to the first one we did. It's also difficult to think for a new one. You draw McDonald's here. Next, draw 2 eyes. Hi, Cherry. Hi, Edita, Jennifer, Nancy. Please comment your works on the video. And then share it as a watch party so your other friends can also join. There. Okay. Next, zigzag lines again, but smaller. Here. What is this? This, Anika.
Alligator.
Alligator, crocodile.
Crocodile. I think it's a crocodile. Crocodile. Oh no.
Oh no!
It's I love animals. You know why?
Why?
Why
Because they're so cute. Okay,
Only
Come on, you do your
Teacher Precious.
drawing. Come on.
Only not the only. There's no animal in
I can't
the one
even
that I
draw that.
favorite. No unicorn.
We're done with the unicorn last time.
Elephant.
I'm Mutya, truly. See you.
Okay.
You done? Can I see your
Cannot see anything.
Your word?
I just got out. You hold.
Rose. Wow, Rose! Why is there a bigger crocodile behind the smaller crocodile? It's gonna eat that smaller crocodile.
There's a
Nice.
little bit sweet.
It being a monkey. Teacher, I'm
Wow.
not.
Good job.
It's an African elephant.
You can add more details. Anika, you forgot the feet. The feet. You forgot the feet, Anika. Good job.
Just come here.